My name is Samson Waweru, the Executive Director of Kenya Society for the Blind, and we exist to promote the training, rehabilitation, employment, and the welfare and education of those who are visually impaired. So we are in Busia County through support from the UK government in a project called DAP, Digital Access Program, and with the support of KICTANet, we are training persons with disabilities on the endless opportunities that they can find in eCitizen and also when pursuing online channels and using the internet. This is because they have been left behind in terms of their inclusion into the digital economy and the kind of economic and livelihood activities they can engage in. So this is Nangina Special School where the training is happening, one of the centers in Samia, and there are other centers in Busia Town and another one in Okame, which is in Teso. And we already have been able to reach 383 persons with disabilities, physical disability, visual disability, hearing impairments, and other disabilities as well. And the trainings are being offered by county trainers, people who have been taken through the ICT Authority curriculum on digital access. And so we are seeing renewed interest where people with disabilities are beginning to see the need to get smartphones to start engaging digitally so that they can empower themselves economically. And we are able to see and hope that these outcomes can be realized so that at least persons with disabilities can also continue to thrive economically. And this is thanks to the county government of Busia, headed by Dr. Paulo Tuoma and his entire team for enabling Kenya Society for the Blind with all the partners be able to carry out this activity.
Ngira Dennis is my name. I'm a chief officer in the county government of Busia, and we are here to spearhead and also to monitor the progress of this very, very fundamental project to our people, that is the Digital Access Program. Personally, having been part and parcel of this project from the onset, we started in September, and our very key focus was the young people. How do we impart the young people with digital skills for them to be able to improve and progress their livelihood in matters agriculture, matters content creation, digital marketing, and what have you. It's about the niche that you decide as a young people, the niche that you decide as a person with disability for you to focus on, be able to improve your livelihood. And I want to say that I'm very impressed, even the governor, when we were doing a brief to him about the progress. And I know with the kind of special attention now that we are giving to the persons with disability, the numbers are even going to surge higher. And that is a plus to us as the leadership of the county, because under the stewardship and the effort of His Excellency, Dr. Paul Nyongeso Tuoma, he was able to go and pitch for this project. And I would say that I'm very delighted, and I would boast to having been one of the people to spearhead this program, because it's only being taking place in two counties across the nation. That is Busia County, of course, and Mandera County. I would say it's a very big privilege. Kudos to our Governor, His Excellency, for having made that step in the right direction to ensure that he woos, the British government to be able to bring these resources to our people. The impact is massive, and we are going to ensure and also ensure in partnership with the partners like KSB that we bring the next phase to Busia County.
My name is Janet Atianga Barasa, working at Busia community, basically for persons with disability. And of course, today here we are at Busia Polytechnic, whereby we have a training ongoing. It started yesterday officially, and basically it's for persons with disability That is to say, I did mobilization. That was my major role in this training. And so we were focusing and targeting on certain types of disability. That is to say, we have physical disability, we have visual impairment, we have persons with albinism, we have persons with hearing impairment, we have persons with epilepsy, and of course we have persons with intellectual impairment. So basically the training is ongoing. This is one of the centers, and I want to say that this is a big centers that we have. We are, right now we are having a number of 181. And basically it's targeting persons below 40 years, but not children, because the training is centered on digital access program, whereby they are being trained on economic empowerment through digital platform. They are being trained on cyber security, given that the world is changing and many things are coming in. They are also being trained, of course, on waste disposal when it comes to aspects of disposing IT-related wastage. And of course, among other things, given that even e-citizen nowadays is being utilized so much, you realize that persons with disability are even done registration through e-citizen. So you go through National Council, you get persons to be registered through e-citizen. So that is also one of the key areas that they are looking into. We have very competent trainers here at Busia Polytechnic. The training is ongoing. We really appreciate this is a big change coming to Busia, and we know our persons shall be empowered. This is really great.
My name is Moses Wafula Nakweri, and I'm disabled, specifically PH, amputated on the right leg. So I've been a student here at Nangina Special School on a program sponsored by KSB, that's Kenya Society for the Blind. Wametuletea mafunzo ya kidijitali. So through the learning, we've been equipped with much skills concerning digital environment. For example, we've been equipped with the skills on how to apply various government services on e-citizen, of which tunajua sahi kila kitu ni digitali according to our government. So on my side, maybe on my case, I'm a special student. There's no need of rushing to Nairobi, niende offices a National Council for People with Disability. I can just apply my card or registration or register with the council through my phone just because of the learning brought by the KSB.
Majina ni Eric Wabwire kutoka Mateo South, Busia County. Leo tumetrain maneno na ICT. Imenisaidia ni kama inaona itakuwa mzuri kwangu kwa hasa kibiashara. Imenifundisha mafundisho mazuri leo, vile hasa naweza tunza security zangu za simu. Hasa upande sana ni kitambulisho, PIN na password. Na naona itatuelekeza vizuri hasa upande wa biashara na maisha yetu kwa ujumla. Ninashukuru ile shirika kwa hii mafunzo mmeniletea. Kutoka kule mbali kaniletea mpaka kwa kijiji. Tutazidi kuomba na tena kuwasihi waendelee tena kutuletea mafunzo zaidi ili tuendelee kuimarika kidijitali.
What we do is basically we do research on disability inclusion, we do advocacy, we do awareness creation, and we also do capacity building on the same. And on this initiative, we came in as the mobilizers because we have the numbers. We got the participants through self-help groups, CBOs and all. And it has been a great initiative because there's a very big gap in information sharing for persons with disability. And now that the government of Kenya is, or the services that they provide are all, or most of them are digital, it's very key for everyone to be able to access these skills. And so it is a very great initiative to ensure that persons with disabilities also are able to get this or know how to get these services, and also just to protect themselves from online conning and such a view. I would love to thank KSB for convening such a great initiative, and as a consortium we also would love to thank UKAID for their support.
My name is Immaculate Aoko Ogweno. I come from Busia County, Amkura West Ward. We have been trained about digital skills. The training was important to people with disability, me being one of them, because we now know when we want to get services, the government services, we can sit at the comfort of our homes and apply through e-citizen. For example, if I want to apply for the certificate for the people with disability, I can simply sit at the comfort of my house and apply. People with disability also have been made aware that some of the services we can get them for free or at a cheaper price when we go to the cyber. We have also learned on how to apply for the SHA, so we can get medical assistance in hospitals through the use of SHA. We have applied, we have opened e-citizen accounts. So the training was very important for people who live with disability.